Pools Island, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 5:15 p.m. At 3:17 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Montgomery and Howard counties in Maryland, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater in small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly high winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Ardmiller Island, Miles River, Pools Island, Gibson Island, Baltimore Light, Colchester Beach, Fort Smallwood State Park, Highland Beach, Mattapick, Chester River, Parsons Island, Sandy Point State Park.